Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy and paste on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer to be able to copy and paste, use some keyboard shortcuts. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's focus on the desktop screen. So let's now right click, new folder. Let's give this folder a name. I'll just say folder 1. And now if we highlight, right click, copy, right click, paste item. And this will give us folder 1 too, but let's just rename this folder 2. And now if we take a screenshot of a section on the Mac computer, Command Shift and 4 will allow us to screenshot a little section. So now if we, let's just say, change the name to image. If I now highlight the image, right click, copy, same thing, right click, paste, and this will give us image 2. However, if I now highlight every single image and folder on the computer, right click, or better still, we can use a keyboard shortcut, which is Command C, that will copy the entire selection, and Command V to paste. There we go. So that's how you copy and paste on a Mac computer images, folders, using keyboard shortcuts as well as manual copy and pastes. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.